Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to launch a brand new series where we'll show you how to crochet a collection of mini potted plants. These little creations are perfect as car decorations, desk buddies, or just adorable mood boosters for your room. They also make the sweetest handmade gifts for your friends and family. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Let's go started. Today we will crochet 2 mini sunflower styles for the car. Here are the materials we will need. Now let's get started. I am using a 3.0mm crochet hook. First, let's learn the neat version. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and bring it over your index finger. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. Insert the hook into the loop again. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Make 6 single crochet stitches in the loop. Continue with the remaining 5 stitches. Pull up the loop to make it longer. Tighten the short yarn tail to close. Insert the hook back into the loop. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For round 2, make 2 stitches in each stitch. Place the stitch marker in the first stitch. Make another single crochet in the same stitch. Continue the same for the remaining 5 sets. After second round, remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For the third round, we will do 1 single crochet stitch, then 1 increase as a set, repeating this for a total of 6 sets. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Continue this pattern until all 6 sets are completed. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. Trim off the extra tail. The flower base is made the same way as the flower center. Take a sewing needle. Bring yarn ends to the back. Make another piece the same way. Place the 2 pieces together, overlapping them. Take the yellow yarn. Place it behind the pieces. Insert the hook through both layers, just before the slip stitch. Pull the yarn through. Chain 1. Yarn over. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet, pulling through all 3 loops at once. Yarn over again, make 1 double crochet, pulling through 2 loops twice. Chain 2. In the same place, make 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Chain 1. In the next stitch, join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. 1/2 double crochet. One double crochet. Chain 2. Another double crochet. And a 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1. Slip stitch and next stitch. Continue this pattern. Chain 1, then make 1/2 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Follow the sequence until you complete 6 petals. Take a piece of wire and bend the top into a right angle. Insert it through the middle of the flower. Tuck the yarn ends inside. Stuff a little bit of cotton filling inside. Continue crocheting to close the flower. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull up the loop. Cut the yarn. Weave in the ends. Repeat for another piece. Cut the yarn. Set aside. Now let's move on to the lively version of the flower. Insert the hook before the slip stitch. Pull up the yarn and chain 1. In the next stitch, make a 1/2 double crochet. Followed by 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then go back into the first chain and make a slip stitch. This creates a picot stitch. In the same stitch, make 1 more double crochet and 1 1/2 double crochet. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue with the pattern. Chain 1, then 1/2 double crochet, picot stitch, double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this until yo. Add wire and cotton filling as before. Continue crocheting until 3 more petals are finished. Join with the first stitch. Pull up the loop, cut the yarn. Weave in the ends. Cut yarn. Take the green yarn. Wrap it around the stem. Adding leaves as you go. Finally, the wrapping of the flower stem and the crochet soil and pot assembly are the same as in the puff flower tutorial, so please complete that part by yourself. Now our 2 mini sunflowers are complete.